लिरिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड टुडे एज यू गाइस कैन सी by the title, today is BTS B album releasing and I'm so excited guys. Like today is the comeback and I comeback 10:30 a.m. को है and right now 14 minutes are left as you guys can see. And yeah, this oh my god, this comeback consists of like these many songs and this is like very mild kind of comeback. Dynamite भी इसी का एक गाना है and I'm so like excited for Life Goes On MV because like it is about this pandemic and everything happening and BTS are just expressing their feelings in this song. So these songs are super touching and super soft and yeah, I am so excited. मैं 6 बजे से उठी हूँ guys and I am like watching. First I was watching the press conference and like उसके बाद comeback का premiere start हुआ and I am waiting तब से. So guys, yeah, that's it and I am super excited. Fingers crossed this song should also reach #1 in Billboard. Like I am super excited and yeah, I'll try to not say oh my god so many times, but you guys know how much I love BTS and how big of an army I am, so it's a little bit tough to control myself, so I hope you guys will understand. And this is early morning so my voice is a bit harsh, so yeah, just be nice in the comments. And if you guys don't like BTS then please I'll suggest you to watch their content first before hating. And yeah, so that's it. So guys, now only 3 minutes are left. I'm super excited. Yesterday the whole night I just cannot even sleep and that's just how much excited I am for the album and just wow. Let's wait. Now it's only 60 seconds left. My hands are super cold right now. I am super nervous. Like I am extremely nervous. I don't know why I am nervous. Like oh my god, it's such a big thing for us armies. Oh my god. So there goes the first oh my god in this video. Let's just count how many times I am going to say oh my god. So let me know in the comments how many times I have said oh my god in this video. Like guys, the premiere has started. Oh my god, 1 minute left. Wow, it's finally the time. 10 9 8 7 6 2 1. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, already the best sound. Wow. Oh. Oh my god, why does he look so good in mask? Oh my god. Oh my god! Jimmy! Oh my god, let me tell you guys. Wow. Let me tell you. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so chilled. I know this song was going to be super soft, but this much and this chill song, oh my god, I cannot look at them. They are all in their PJs and chilling. The lyrics I cannot even like right now. This is just amazing and this is such a warm song which will heal army, like literally heal army. And oh my god, my hands are shaking right now. I cannot. Let me just see the video. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. Taehyung driving is just, oh my god. I miss Suga super badly. Like, get well soon, Suga, please. Like this morning, even in the press meet, Suga is not there because of his shoulder surgery, and I feel so bad. Like, it's just not good to see only 6 members. That is just is something which is like super weird, and I cannot with that. I really miss Suga. Please, Suga, get well soon, please. And yeah, let's see. This is just amazing. Oh my god. Don't talk to me. I'm super soft right now. I can't even talk right now. You guys can see that. And this song is super comforting, and this is super chill. Look at they doing this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, nothing's changed. This is so good. Wow. Why is he doing this? Why is Big Hit doing this to us? So much of Taehyung driving. Oh my god. I cannot. Like, I'm gonna cry. I don't want to cry. They look super comfy. So my bias is V, and V is just on in this video. Like, going super on, and I cannot. Like, Taehyung driving is alone the most best thing in this video. Like, I cannot. Hold my hand, let's run away to the future. Lines like BTS never fails to comfort ARMY. Like, because of this pandemic, so many of people are in discomfort, in pain, in grief, and this song definitely heals all of that. I cannot. I don't want to cry in this video, but song is so hopeful, so soothing to our souls and to our heart, everything. I cannot. Let's just finish this song. Oh my god, Jane. Wow. This is the most painful thing I have seen. Like, the empty stadiums. BTS have done many online concerts in this pandemic for us ARMYs, and I'm super grateful to them. Like, they give us hope every day to live on and not to give up, which is so good. And I am myself was super down when I found BTS, but after that there is no going back. They are always the most supportive artist in this game, and I just can't see, I just don't see myself going away from them any sooner, because BTS, once you do BTS there is no going back. And now I know why people say that. It's just amazing, and just it makes me so sad that they have to perform in empty stadiums like that. But ARMY is always there for you, BTS. We are always supporting you with our soul and our heart, with our love and support. and I am just so proud of BTS and ARMY be together in this time, and we are making everybody smile by all the online campaigns we are doing, all the donations we are doing. Like ARMY, people say ARMY is super crazy, but ARMY is the one fandom that do the most for this world. Like literally BTS donates so much, and ARMY also do so many campaigns in the name of their idols, in the name of BTS, and I am super proud to be a part of that fandom. And yeah, that's it. Let's just finish this song before I start crying, because like this is so soothing that I am just healed within. Like oh my god, we oh my god, look at their smiles. I am done. Viva! That's it. That's it. Oh my god. Finally. Oh, let me just calm down for a second. Like, it can't be any better than this. Like, this is the best, and BTS are always the best and number one in my favorite artists. Literally, they never fail to impress me, and I am impressed. Like, I am super impressed. This was not a super colorful kind of comeback, but Dynamite has literally just made our days a little more tolerable. So this song is going to heal like many people. I already know that, and this has already healed me. Like I am super pumped, and I am going to stream this video. ARMYs, go and stream. I am going to be streaming this for more than weeks. Like, I am going to continue streaming till it becomes Billboard #1. Fingers crossed. Let's see how good we can do, ARMY. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. If you are an ARMY, or if you guys are my fantastics, I love you guys so much. And yeah, just I love BTS. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.